7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Gotta find somewhere to go. Gotta find something to do.
You on camera?
Still gotta find somewhere to go. Gotta find something to do.
Hey guys. Okay, so we are on our way up to the property. It has been snowing quite a bit. We are crossing fingers, hoping that we can get up there, or at least up on the driveway, at least ride up the driveway. We're crossing our fingers.
Get to the property.
Yeah, get to the property, because it has been snowing quite a bit up there. So we're not sure if all the ice has melted. So we're gonna find out, but we're on our way up. But before we go up, my husband needs to stop someplace first. Guess where that might be?
It ain't Lowe's.
It ain't Lowe's. Home Depot. Yeah, we're at Home Depot, as you guys know. My husband either going to Home Depot or Lowe's, one or the other. So we're at the orange spot today. So he's going in to get something. I don't know what he's going to get. Have fun.
Bye-bye.
You coming back, Booba? He just want his daddy. I'm just a little bit concerned because it rained for 4 days straight and then it snowed, and we were hoping that it will melt and that we wouldn't have a problem getting up there. And so it did melt, and so we were like, yay, we should be good getting up. But then another storm came in and it snowed again. So everything was just white. We couldn't even see the ground. It was so pretty, but it snowed pretty significantly. We're hoping by the time we get up there, a lot of it has melted, at least on the driveway, so we can drive up. Yeah, so we're gonna go up. Hopefully a lot of it has melted to where we can at least get up the driveway. And he's back. Okay, so we have a rut. I don't think we can get over it. So Rara is going to see if we could possibly back up. You gonna see if you can roll over it?
Change my shoes.
Why are you doing that?
Because it's muddy.
And then what?
I won't get mud on my good shoes.
Why are you going back out? I don't understand why you changing your shoes now.
I want to get mud on my good shoes.
That's what I'm saying. Are you going back outside? Help me understand your logic as to what you're doing.
Change my shoes.
I think he's going to see if there's another huge rut up the way, because when it rained the last time, Cliff showed us that it was a huge rut down the way. So I think he's going to see if that is the case. And if that is the case, then we're going to have to back up and go the other way around. This is actually the long way around. We didn't go the back way. The back way is a little bit shorter. So we came the long way because we thought the short way may be a little bit of an issue. It's not as highly trafficked as the long way. So that's why we came the long way. Rara is going to see if there's larger ruts up the way. And if that is the case, again, like I said, we're going to have to back up and try to go the back way. So these are the issues that we run into and think about when we have inclement weather. And when we have things like this, there is no city to come and fix your road. It is really either up to you or the neighbors or the community to fix your own road so that you can have access to your property. Just something to consider when you guys are out there looking for a homestead, because sometimes where you're located, it's all on you and there is no city to help you fix anything that happens in that area. Okay, so he's back. He has informed me that the ground is too soft to continue to go this way. Now we're trying to figure out how to back up. Yeah. You was trying to figure out how to back up?
With the weight that I got in the back too.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna back up and try the back way, maybe. Okay, yeah.
So how far I walked up there?
Yeah, I thought you was actually walking up to see if there was that rut that's way up there.
Do. But then the farther up you go, the softer this got. So I'm like, I won't even make it to the rut.
Oh, dang. Alrighty.
I'm gonna try to hug back tire. I can't get on this, I'll sink.
Yeah.
And don't forget, we got 800 pounds back there.
Yeah.
I need to get my tire like this so I can.
You don't think that's soft right here?
It's all soft, very soft.
Okay, so we had only one spin out. We're gonna try to go the back way now to see if we can get up that way. We just need a 4-wheel, right? We need a 6-wheel. We need a 4-wheel drive.
25-wheel drive.
All of this is just letting us know where our gaps are. This stuff is good experience, so. All right, we are on the back roads. We're gonna see if we can make it the back way. Right now it's looking good, but we'll see. So the back way worked. Yay! We got up here.
24/7, y'all. This is her in real life. So we in the car right now arguing. She's like, I think you can make it. I'm not even gonna try.
Cause I think
I'm listening to you, Billy. This is between me and Billy. I'm listening to you. I'm not even gonna mess around. We're gonna walk.
I mean, it looks like he can make it.
I'm not messing up all that good
fine.
work. I'm not messing up. That's good work.
Here we go. Okay, so Ra is up there. I think he can make it. I think the driveway is dry, and I think we can make it up.
What you talking about?
What?
You trying to convince people that we should come up here?
Yes, because I think you can make it. It looks dry enough to me.
It's not the dryness, it's the compactedness.
Oh, you talking about the gravel?
Mm-hmm.
If you back up and then drive up really fast, I think it'll go.
The turns too?
No, saying.
I don't want to spin out and mess up this and then I have to come back out here and replay with it. Some of these spots are not compacted good and I'm just going to spin out.
Okay, so if we make it up the rocks, do you think we can make it all the way up to the
Yeah,
to
I think we're good up there. I think
house?
those little 2-inch rocks up there kind of help when we normally get stuck.
You just think about this part.
There's areas of this that the compacting ain't all that great.
And this part looks good too.
That's why I don't want to mess it up because I don't feel like coming to fix it.
Well, we're gonna have to drive over it at some point.
Over time, you compact it and then it's stable.
Well,
Right
us
now,
driving on it, we're compacted now.
not 2 days after a snowstorm. It's still wet. I'm listening to Billy. I don't care what none of y'all say. He been right out of everybody so far, including you.
Include who?
Including you. So I'm gonna rock with my boy on this one. He is like, don't mess around. You
I
gonna make
agree.
a
I would
mess.
prefer you listen to Billy than listen to me.
You
So
gonna make a mess. You gonna be fixing some stuff you already did.
I'm just adventurous. I'm like, you can do it. Let's go.
I say we walk. Get the car deal. What you say? What y'all say? Leave it in the comments. Should we walk or should we go for it? 'Cause it's soft.
The rocks
The
are soft.
gravel. It's not compacted good, and the road base is still kind of mushy in a lot of areas.
Okay.
This is a rear-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive Sprinter van, not 4-wheel drive.
Not 4-wheel drive.
What y'all say? Leave it in the comments.
Okay, guys. I'm just gonna say, look, what y'all think we should do? Drive up or should we not? I say drive. He say don't.
Tune in Saturday and find out what we did.
Tune in Saturday and find out what we did. Peace. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.